Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're revisiting the story of Thomas Bartlett, Bart Whitaker, the man convicted of orchestrating the murders of his mother and brother in 2003. After being sentenced to death, his fate took a surprising turn. So, where is Bart Whitaker now? Let's find out. Bart Whitaker grew up in a well-off family in Sugar Land, Texas. In December 2003, his mother and younger brother were killed, and his father was wounded, in a shooting at their home. Investigators uncovered that Bart had masterminded the plot, recruiting others, with the motive of gaining an inheritance. In March 2007, he was convicted of capital murder and sentenced to death. On the 22nd of February 2018, with his execution imminent, the governor of Texas commuted Whitaker's death sentence to life in prison without the possibility of parole. As part of the commutation, Whitaker waived any future parole rights. This decision followed a unanimous recommendation from the Texas Board of Pardons and Paroles. Where is Bart Whitaker now? As of now, Bart Whitaker is incarcerated in the Texas prison system, serving a life sentence with no chance of release. During his time in prison, he has pursued education, earning an undergraduate degree and advancing in other academic efforts. He remains behind bars and is not eligible for parole. Bart Whitaker's story is a chilling example of betrayal, guilt, and consequences. From plotting the murder of his own family to facing death row, to spending the rest of his life in prison, his life has taken a dark trajectory. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this update insightful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.